Hi, and welcome to our tour. I thought it'd be helpful to introduce Vault4Dealrs by showing you the easy-to-use annual report option. I'm going to show you three things: navigation, how report preview works, and how to drag and drop month-end reports. So let's get started. So this is the screen, and on your left is the menu. If you click one of the years, it opens directly to that period. But there's an easier way to do things. So let's scroll down and look at the center of the screen, and you'll see the ability to view those same years without leaving the screen. You could think of this as a single pane of glass to manage reports. Here you can see all the months of the year, and within each month you can see the departments. Now let's open one of those report folders. At this point we can either click next to the file name for report preview, or click on the file name and see the report full screen. Now let's move out of the folder and I'll show you one of our best features: adding reports using drag and drop. Now I pulled some reports in advance and downloaded them to a folder. So let's navigate to the folder I want to add them to. Now we need to open the reports from the desktop, highlight them, and just drag them over to SharePoint for Dealers. Our backup runs every 8 hours, so in the next cycle these reports will be automatically backed up. It's that easy. So to recap, we viewed navigation, previewed reports, and used drag and drop to archive our reports. Hopefully you agree this is really easy to use, and you can see more information about this on our website.